Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fly in Hytale. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually give yourself operator perms. The way you do that is you just go ahead and press enter to open up the chat menu, and then here I want you to just type in /op space self, and then you basically give yourself operator permissions. And once you become an operator, what I want you to do is I want you to actually just press O on your keyboard. And as you can see, our game mode has now been set to creative. Now to actually fly, I want you to just double tap space. And as you can see, we're now able to fly. Just go ahead and hold space and you can literally fly as much as you want. And if you're wondering how do you get back down, all you need to do is press Control on your keyboard. And as you can see, we are descending. And it's really that easy. That is how to fly in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.